Our body's standard equipment is pretty amazing. It has 656 motors controlling a wide range of movements, as well as sound, odour and light-sensitive sensors. And a relatively powerful computer. It also comes with a pretty impressive air conditioning system at no extra cost. The temperature of our internal organs normally fluctuates by little more than 1 degree Celsius, even in hot or cold conditions. Every muscle movement generates heat, and our body takes advantage of that fact to warm up when it's cold. Shivering means the body's heating system is kicking in. In addition, the blood vessels of the skin constrict so that less heat is lost into the air. Many people feel most comfortable at temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius. That's because the heat the body produces at rest is enough. It doesn't need to do anything to heat up or cool down. At higher outside temperatures, the heat transfer with the environment stops working so well. Instead, another cooling system in the body is activated. Sweat beads come out of the pores to moisten the skin. As they evaporate, they use heat energy in the process, which cools down the skin. If our internal temperature rises, the body tries to transport the heat to the surface as quickly as possible. The heart starts pumping faster. At the same time, the body loses fluid. The blood volume decreases and the brain is not supplied properly. That leads to a headache and dizziness. If the air around us is not just hot, but also very humid, it can't absorb as much moisture. Then even heavy sweating provides little cooling. The body's air conditioning system can soon get overloaded. If the temperature of our internal organs rises above 40 degrees Celsius, it can, in the worst case scenario, lead to life-threatening heat stroke. That's why it's so important to seek out cool and shady places at the first signs of overheating. Be sure to avoid physical exertion and, of course, drink plenty of water. The body's air conditioning system allows us to live in very different climatic conditions, but in some cases, more extreme temperatures on our planet are pushing it to the limit.